Here at our campus, Dynamics of Machine Lab, it is equipped with all the equipments that will help the student to understand complete insight of any mechanism or a machine experimentally. Whatever they get the theoretical knowledge in a class, they come here, and with the help of well-equipped lab over here, they can do that experimentation. And after understanding the complete insight how a mechanism is working, they use that knowledge to solve the real world problem.
Hi, I'm Varsha S. from Department of Mechanical Engineering. I have designed the mobility cycle for the disabled people, which will be more useful for them to travel a long distance. It will be so environmental friendly also.